So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. This is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 shipping containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. In the front we have two sliding door here. After that we will go inside, so we have sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have chair arrangement, and on the right side we have dining counter with 4 chairs. After that we'll go inside, so we have kitchen plus washing area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and on the right side we have washing machine and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. If you go on the right side, so we have common use washroom plus water closet. Here you can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the right side we have 3 feet wide passage here, and on the left side we have bedroom number 1. Here you can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. If you go inside, so we have bedroom number 2. Here you can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. Also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.